Good day, everybody. My name is Chef Mark Crocker, and I'm a faculty from the Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Dr. MGR University. Today, I'd like to speak about your making your passion your profession. So, everyone who's looking after a profession, you have to have a slight passion for whatever you do. So, first important point is you have to make your dedication towards the kitchen or towards the hospitality industry. For this, you have to take a complete liking to what you do. You have to love to eat, you have to love to see food, you have to love to make your impression on food. And so, from a young age, it's always advised that you look at a lot of cookery shows rather than a different program on a TV. And also, you can see a lot of columns in the newspaper. And there's a lot of people writing about food blogs in different medias. Try and answer them and take part in all this. Be an active member in your profession which you have chosen. The second point is you have to pick a role model. By picking a role model, pick a good chef and try and work in his shadows. Try and reach up to his standard. And it's always good to follow an example of a good chef. But at the same time, you put in your own skills and your own efforts to improve on yourself. This is going to set yourself a good goal. And the last point which I want to speak about is you have to have a mission and you have to have a vision. Your mission is to serve and create the best cuisine which is available, and you have to bring out the best ideas in food. And for your vision, you do your planning. At the age of 21, I want to become a chef de partie. At the age of 24, I want to become a junior sous chef. So make this your priorities in your career and start working from today onwards. There's a small saying which I like to mention is make your passion your purpose. Now, since you made your passion your purpose, make your passion and your purpose will become your profession. And this is how you will groom to become a good chef. I wish you all the best. Thank you.